Hey guys, this is your destination and I'm Shruti, and today we again have an unboxing on our channel. So we are going to unbox this MIVI duopods M40, and you have already seen the vlog how much struggle it was to get these wireless earphones. So you can see the MIVI branding over here, and actually I have purchased two duopods, one for myself and one for my brother. You already know the reason, because my AirPods are broken. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. So I open the package. So here we have the two duopods, and let's see what else if we have everything. No, we don't have anything in the package. So here are the two boxes. As you can see, packaging looks really premium. As you can see, the duopods are in chrome finish over here in the box, and here is the warranty information, barcode, everything, and here are some specifications. And this is the same another box. So I'll keep this box to the side. And so this is the box, and now let's see the specifications over here. So we have truly hi-fi stereo over here, and you have 4 hours of playback time with 70% volume, and it has 4x charge on the capsule, which is the travel case which are with these earphones. And it again says that it has noise cancellation. It is with the insulation of the ear tips, and as we see over here, you have super solid bass, powerful drivers, and again you have here IPX5 splash resistant. It's not IP6 water resistant, but it's splash resistant, so you can take this earphones to the gym and use them. It's not a issue. And then you have one touch pair and play over here. You don't have and over here you have branding, and here you have the pricing. It's 3,999, and country of origin is China. Okay, I thought it's Indian. So you have the MIVI branding and the duopods M40 branding. So now let's open the box. Let's cut the seal over here. Packaging looks really premium, I have to say. Here you have like laminated MIVI branding. This is laminated, so it's looking really good, gloss and 3D. It looks really good. Now let's open the box. Yeah, so as you can see, we have a card from MIVI. Says, "Hello Mivians, we hope you enjoy the new duopods M40." This is the warranty card, I believe. And here we have the duopods M40 itself in a really nice looking capsule, I must say. It's a gloss black with shiny glitter on it. As you can see, I believe the camera will do justice. As you can see over here, you can see black with glitter. Looks really premium, but I feel it is very fingerprint prone. So let's keep it to the side. Here we have a box, and I believe here we have the ear tips. And yes, here we have the ear tips, and yeah, we have the charging cable. Sadly, we have micro USB. It's a really big disappointment that in this day and age you are still giving micro USB. A USB Type C would be really appreciated, but now sadly we don't have it. So let's keep it to the side, and let's remove this foam over here. And here is the user manual. So here is the user manual. Let's remove that, and let's see. So here is the user manual. It shows how to use it and all. So yeah, let's keep it to the side and let's jump to the duopods itself. So with the brief time I've spent with this MIVI duopods M40, I've noticed like with this chrome thing which they have made it, it's quite slippery, and in the first attempt it doesn't come out of from this case. It's very difficult to remove it, so you have to take your both fingers and remove it. And the second thing is that as I told you that this case is a gloss glitter black case. It's very shiny, but at the same time it's a fingerprint magnet, and with the brief time I've used this, it has attracted quite a lot of fingerprints. And the other thing is, now I've played music for over a half an hour. I have noticed that the uh, and I've noticed that the sound quality of this earphones is really good. The bass is really good, and the overall music feel is quite nice, and I personally like it. So I'll make a detailed review on this earphones. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. This is Shiti signing off, and I hope to see you in my next video.